Seriously, under arrest. Come here. Damien, kid. No. Stand up. Taking you down. Downtown. My head Mario destroyed. Destroyed it. I'm scared, babe. I tricked you again.
How are you going to get out of it, Haley? Without really hurting somebody?
I lose, Mommy.
You got hurt?
I lose.
You lose?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Get back in the game, buddy. Get up. Go, go, go. Get her.
Let's do it.
Go. Beware, buddy. He's coming. Oh, look at the doggy. Hi, doggy. How are you doing? Hi. Oh, thank you. Ugh, thanks a lot. Okay, go play. I think I saw a squirrel. Go get it.
Can you stop for a second? Ethan, come get me. Oh, now you can get me.
He's a dog.
Oh,
Do you have to go potty?
I always put my
Go potty.
poo.
Not for real, Ethan. Wait. We have to go potty in the house. You have to go potty? No? Okay. You never know.
Yeah. What? Hello, Mom.
Look at you.
Mom, are you taking a video of us?
Of course.
You are gonna be arrested.
Watch out for the
Get
cement.
in the car, or I'll just have to do it for you. He will be arrested.
And she gets away again. Another episode, another time. And will our doggy. Hi. Oh, no, no, no dirt.
Tuck you down. No, you.
And stop. Stop. Haley, what did I say was going to happen? What did I say was going to happen?
Nothing. I want to fight. Mommy.
What the heck? I want to fight. Come on. What the
You're
heck?
still videotaping?
Of course.
He's still videotaping.
Hi. What would you like to say?
Puppy.
Puppy? You love being a puppy.
I like you.
You love it.
I like you, Mommy.
Why?
Because.
Do you love doggies?
Yeah.
Really? What's your name, doggy?
4?
4?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh.
Your name is 4?
Yes.
Really? Hi, 4. What are you doing? Oh,
2.
you're 2?
Yeah.
No, you're 3.
No, I'm 2.
You're 3.
No, I'm for 2.
Okay, so what's your name then?
Mom, are you videos? Oh, dog.
What's your name then?
Oh, dog.
Dog?
I said 4.
Transformers?
I said dog.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Love you.
He will